Welcome to the Rusty Screw. I'm Marge. What can I get you, sweetie? I'm gonna start a bar. It's gonna be named the Rusty Screw. So this lady needs help with her license plate lights. The 5-0 got her. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I gave her a ticket for no plate lights. I've done this one, but in case you guys have run across this, these screws are super rusted. You can't get anything on them. You know, broken screw extractors. They're just basically solid rust. Trust me, folks, I tried it all. Let me enhance. So there it is. They're right plumb a mess. So I'll show you what I do to make shorter work of this. To get your old double-headed 1/8" bit from the Astro Tools. And we come up here very gingerly. Just chowder through it. There's that one. Feels pretty good. And then we're going to use a Torx bit. So this is a T15. It's from the Mac Tools RBRT kit. Let me stick this in my pocket. Oh my gosh, I can see your license plate. Well, guess what, dude? You can see license plates every time you drive down the road. So if that gets you excited and you can't handle it, go watch something else, okay? We have to go a little deeper, dude. Let's drive her a little bit deeper. Problem is, you go too deep, you just end up cutting the head off it. Which is fine too, but I like to have just a little nub sticking out if we can. All right, we'll try this again. What'd this guy do with this bit? Come on, man. You'll see in the comment section, most of the people are typing that you can use a left-handed drill bit. It'll snag it and bring it out. It's pretty unlikely. This one does not feel like it wants to bite for some odd reason. This one is not biting. Well, that bites. Let's try this, plan B. Always have a plan B. This would be C. Plan A is the screwdriver. Plan B is that. We're going to use this 1/8" RBRT hex, or not hex, socket head, I guess. Allen wrench. Oh, get in the hole there, fella, before you start hammering on it. Here's this guy looking like an idiot, huh? I don't know how you guys watch this stuff, but you do. Yeah, all right, yeah, for a good show and tell, fella. So as I was mentioning, we're going to plan D, using the old S1 square. Well, that one feels like she's gonna get a bite without even banging on it, but let's just bang on it a little more anyways. Oh, that felt good. Real good. There we are. We snapped the head off it, which is fine. See? Okay? Perfectly drilled. Now we gotta do the other one. Because once we get them out, we'll be in good shape for the shape we're in. Not get too excited just yet. Like I said, you can drill to the point it just pops the head off, which is fine. I always like to have that one little glimmer of hope in my life. That'll just unscrew and everybody will be happy. Welcome to the rusty screw. Okay, see, that's how it goes in a perfect world right there. The Mac Tools RBRT stuff, I don't know if they have the patent on it anymore, but they're made for damaged extractors. This is, like I said, it's the S1 square. I'll show you what we got to do now. We got to come in clutch with another tool, the van pliers. We don't need it for removing this. That's getting a little carried away there, but we do need it to remove the broken screw and the light bulb socket here. There's that. Now we need to get that broken screw out. And here is the beauty of the van plier. I've had these a long time. You can't read any name on it, but the ends of them are actually made for broke off screws. That's what I think that's what they're designed for. You have to go on their website. They make these in a pair of lineman's pliers, and they have an insane amount of grip on the tip. Just the tip. And it's made for stuff like this. I bought these a long time ago and they're worth it. And there it is. There's our screw. You can see where we drilled into it. So there's that. That's my tip for you. Take the bulb out. Get your new bulb. Come back down. Slip it in. Let me get a hanky and some new screws. An old bulb polisher from way back. Slip that baby in there. Only goes one way. Oh yeah, first try. Back in. Are these the right screws? No. They're what I had though. And they're gonna work perfectly fine until we order some from Kia. See, the problem is she takes it to the car show and they see these non-factory screws up in here. It's a couple points off. Should we have checked the bulb before we screwed it down? Oh yeah, you bet we should have. But I like to live dangerously. Hey, they both work, look at that. Now she can go to court and hopefully get rid of her ticket. What a felon. So this is the bit of kit I was telling you about. That's it. Not sure if they still have it or whatever. Had it a long time. They're just a bunch of like extraction type units for stripped out stuff. I don't use it a whole lot. They're RBRT sockets, however, I do use. Those are phenomenal. And I gotta swap out this flat blade. Sometimes I try to use the flat blade in Phillips screws or JIC screws that are screwed up, because sometimes you can get a flat blade wedged in there, and it worked on one of them, but that was it. You don't have to have this. You can drill it out, 1/8 inch drill. You can try a Torx bit, you can try your regular S squares, you can try whatever you can beat in there to get a grip on it. So that's it. Free Tip Friday on a Tuesday. Published some other day of the week. You guys have fun.